Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this super cute bear earmuffs. For this, firstly we'll need a chenille yarn of light brown color and 3.5 mm crochet hook, one scissor, and an acrylic yarn of dark brown color. For black eyes, one white color chenille yarn and a glue stick, one lighter also to burn all the frizzies. Let's start by making a magic ring. You may slow down the video speed to see how I'm actually crocheting this ring. Pull the yarn a little bit, but make sure you maintain that small hole in the center. Now make 1 or 2 chain, then make 12 double crochet into the magic ring. Now slip stitch into the first 2 chains that we have made, and it will look something like this. Now start with the second round. Again make 2 chain, then 2 double crochet into each stitch. Now slip stitch into the first 2 chains that we have made. Moving on to the round 3rd, firstly make again 2 chain and then 1 double crochet into the first stitch and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all along. Now slip stitch into the first 2 chains. So moving on to the 4th round, make 2 chain, then make 1 double crochet in the back loop. So this is the front loop and this one here, it's the back loop. So we have to make 1 double crochet into the back loop, then make 1 decreased double crochet into the next 2 stitches, back loop only. Now repeat this pattern all along. Make 1 double crochet in the back loop, and then make double crochet decrease into the next 2 stitches like this one. So follow this pattern all along. Slip stitch into the first 2 chains. Now make 7 chain, and slip stitch on the other side, something like this. Now make 2 slip stitches into the next stitch to secure it properly. Now moving on to the next part, let's see how to make ears for these bear earmuffs. Again make a magic ring and then add 2 chain. Now add 6 double crochet into the magic ring. Then add 2 chain and slip stitch into the magic ring also. Now moving on, how to make the face of this bear earmuff. Make a magic ring with white color plush yarn and now add 2 chain. Then make 8 double crochet into the magic ring. Now slip stitch into the first 2 chains that we have made earlier. Moving on to the next step on how to make the nose of this bear earmuff, we will use acrylic yarn. Then make 4 chain and skip the first stitch. In the second stitch, add 1 single crochet. In the third stitch, add 1 double crochet. And then make 2 chain and slip stitch into the last stitch. Now tie a knot properly to secure it. Now burn the fringes of this acrylic yarn. Make sure you are using this lighter only on the acrylic yarn. It should not be used on any cotton or plush yarn. Now assemble all these parts and ta-da! Your bear earmuffs are ready to use. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials. And comment below which one should we make next, panda one, heart one, or this bow earmuff.